Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering everything and confirming control basics. Replace or charge the Apple remote battery now, because a weak battery causes intermittent input. Turn on the TV and switch to the correct input so the remote has a responsive target. Make sure the TV or Apple TV has Bluetooth enabled for Siri remote or IR enabled for older remotes. Keep distance under roughly 10 meters and avoid blocked line of sight so pairing and commands register reliably. Once done with power and visibility, pair and practice. If you have a Siri remote, press and hold the back or menu and volume up buttons for 2 to 3 seconds until the Apple TV shows a pairing message. This establishes a Bluetooth link. For older Apple or third-party IR remotes, point directly at the TV receiver and use the specific pair sequence, usually menu plus right, if the device supports it. Practice basic actions, clicking to select, swipe gestures on the touch surface for navigation, and use play/pause and volume to confirm control. To finish, verify full functionality. Open apps, navigate menus, use voice commands, and adjust volume to ensure responsive control. If you encounter problems, start simple. Replace the battery or recharge, restart the Apple TV or TV, and repair the remote. Interference from other Bluetooth devices or sunlight on IR receivers can cause dropouts, so move potential sources away. If issues persist, unpair and reset the remote from settings, then pair again, and contact support only after these steps to save time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.